guys, nagparade na ang mga Hojaka people. Tiguan si Ayman na dito. Tagas, lahat mo na ilang team. Wala. Wala pa. Woo!
Let's give a big round of applause to El Rainbow Connection.
Woo!
Let's give some cheers for Nut Runners.
Woo!
Leroy Association of USA.
Woo!
With big umbrella. Batchmates 82.
Woo!
How about Sindangan Association? Big round of applause for Zamboanga del Norte National Chicago Angels. Welcome. Polanco Fun Squad. Boys, a big round of applause. And Capiconeros, thank you so much for joining. We also have other groups with us today. Thank you very much for joining. Judge for El Rainbow Connection, please. Big shout out to all our enthusiastic participants who bring energy.
Crosshairs.
Grandchildren, introduce to them how to party, right away, see your restaurant. Now if you sing, you're welcome where you are. And you show yourself, sorry that it hasn't come yet. Yes, sure, you are so much welcome.
Come in, come in.
Let's eat now, let's eat.
Come in, judges.
We're just welcoming everyone. Yeah. Welcome, welcome.
Busy ha, oy, busy kayo, grabe. Busy na ka, oy. Uy, asan mo akong kapamilya?
Eight-ball billiards, third place.
Okay na, busy kaon. Tawagan sana ko sila.
Leonard Concha, third place, 8-ball billiards.
Nililoy niya, teman ni. Ay, Carrion, Valencia.
8-ball billiards.
Ay,
What are the questions?
Win Pagatan, congratulations. Second place, billiards, 8-ball, Capitana, USA. Kapitan of USA.
Basta namin.
We're not even finished decorating. Okay. Here we had a Hawaiian drink, we have pineapple, we have Hawaiian punch.
Akong sister-in-law, taga-Liloy. Baya, narito sa kilid. Sulod me! Sulod me! Yan! Mga pagkaon. Hi! Okay lang, okay lang.
First place, Wash.
Sama ni siya ang Liloy.
Billiards, 9 ball, third place, Blush. Billiards, 8th place, Katipunan.
Ano ang tray dyan? Tray dyan?
Third place for 9 ball, Blush. Second place, Kapitan of USA. First place, Katipunan for Billiards, 9 ball.
As you can see,
Sige, sige. Kira ko. Para na ami balikan lang tao. Tadi ang sa easy ender. Thank you. Angel, caregiver. Kanang danhi. Biwash. Wala ang biwash, no? Ay, ala. Number 8. Dito nga. Sige, sige, sige.
Ilagay na lang siya sa huli.
Kuya, bite ka na yung paro. Thank you.
Table tennis, Trajan, second place, double women's. First place, table tennis.
Since our theme is Hawaii, so we have, actually it is Aloha, somebody just borrowed one of our Aloha, so, and we're very giving, so we like to borrow it. Maybe they need it as much as we do. So we have our fruits here.
El Rainbow.
That is palitaw.
El Rainbow.
Hello, that is Amore.
inviting us. Yeah. Thank you for inviting everybody. Video atong video ang mga magmatar og lechon baboy. sorry ay sorry mama man di ay. Monggosi. Oh, okay, ma'am. So guys, morning dagway sa likod dapit sa mga boss, no? Bibo kayo ang mga people. Ano siya din dili lang ni kay kanira no, naapagid dito sa unahan. Naapagid dirang dapita mag-video sa ako kariyot. So, mana siya ang koan, dagway, panagway. Mana siya ang dagway karon daan, dapita.
Second place for Fun Run 5 kilometers.
Dre, kumusta dito, Dre? Aw. Si mother and si father. Asa rin si Buyong? Siya? Sa nagdula? Atos ako sa sindangan kay mutabang ko panghipos. Ha? Ali, kuigta. Aning mga likod-likod sa mga boss.
5 minutes to go. Female category, Fun Run individual. Third place, Ulingan Association of Illinois. Third place, Fun Run female category, Ulingan Association of Illinois. Representative from Ulingan.
Ano yung among sindangan? Sinai.
Bib number 24044.
Yes. Salamat na.
Uli na mo? Ah, para katura.